Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to simplify this given expression. And here's our question, 105 power 4 minus 95 power 4. We are going to calculate the exact value of this expression. And please bear in mind, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's our very first step. Let's focus on this given question. We got 105 power 4 and likewise 95, and then exponent is 4. And now we are going to tweak this term. This could be written as 105 square and then whole square, and likewise this could be written as 95 power 2 and then whole square. And now let's recall the power rule of exponents. Here we can see we got x power m and then another power n. In other words, m and n are our nested exponents. So therefore this whole thing could be written as x power m times n. So no wonder this 105 power 4 could be written as 105 square and then power 2, and likewise 95 power 4 could be written as 95 square and then power 2. And now let's recall this famous identity. A square minus b square could be written as a minus b times a plus b. If I label this part as lowercase a and this part lowercase b, as you can see in this next step, here this is our a and here this is our b. Likewise this is our a and this is our b. The first sign is minus and the other sign is plus. And now let's focus on this first factor, 105 square minus 95 square. And here I have copied down this whole thing right here. And now let's recall this famous identity once again. A square minus b square could be written as a minus b times a plus b. And here if I call this a and this is b, then this could be written as 105 minus 95 times 105 plus 95. And now we know 105 minus 95 is going to give us 10. And likewise 105 plus 95 is going to give us 200. And if we multiply 10 times 200, that is going to give us 2000. So therefore we can see that this whole factor has been simplified to 2000. And now we are going to focus on this second factor, 105 square plus 95 square. And here I have copied down this whole thing right here. And now let's focus on these two numbers, 105 and 95. Their average or mean is going to be exactly 100. So therefore I'm going to substitute let x equals to 100. Then this whole thing could be written as 100 plus 5 whole square, plus likewise this could be written as 95 as 100 take away 5 whole square, as you can see in this next step. And now our x equal to 100, so therefore this 100 becomes x, and likewise this 100 become x as well. And now let's recall another famous identity. A plus b whole square could be written as a square plus 2 times ab plus b square. We are going to apply this identity on this first binomial. So therefore this first binomial could be written as x square plus 10 times x plus 25 and then plus. And now let's recall another identity. A minus b whole square could be written as a square minus 2 times ab plus b square. I'm going to apply this identity on this second binomial. So therefore this second binomial could be written as x square minus 10 times x plus 25. And now I can see positive 10x, negative 10x, they are gone. So therefore, we are ended up with simply x squared plus x squared. If we combine them, we are going to get 2x squared plus 25, and 25 is going to give us 50. And now we know our x value is 100. So I'm going to substitute x value 100 over here, as you can see in this next step. And now we can see 100 square is 1 with 40, 10,000, and then times 2. If I multiply this thing, that is going to give us 20,000, and then plus this 50. So thus this whole thing has been simplified to 20,050. So I can write down 20,050 over here. So the first factor has been simplified to 2000. The second factor has been simplified to 20,050. So therefore we are going to multiply them out. And if we multiply these two out, we are ended up with this 40,100,000. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the value of 105 whole power 4 minus 95 whole power 4 turns out to be 40,100,000. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.